Helper sparks the technical revolution and launches the unprecedented microwave cookware. The cookware uses patented heating materials, which solve the difficult problem that metal cannot be directly heated in a microwave oven. It enjoys a simple and fashionable shape. The scalable, colorful silicone rubber handle helps you choose any amount of food freely. Patented technology brings unique grill effects and is able to cook a variety of foods with a perfect combination of color, aroma, taste, and appearance. Its special double-sided trays design can enable the foods to be heated on both upper and lower sides. It can directly absorb the microwaves from the microwave oven and turn them into thermal energy, which is conveyed from the metal trays to foods, so as to cook foods rapidly. The brand new heating principles can not only hold the water contents in foods rapidly, but also maintain the food freshness and nutrition. It can grill foods and make foods fresh and juicy with heavy fragrance, smooth mouthfeel, healthy and delicious taste. On the other hand, the traditional cookware cannot grill foods, and it causes the food's nutrition loss and rough mouthfeel, null and tasteless. The diversified cookware combinations, according to different foods and serving amount, contribute to excellent stewing, frying, and baking functions. There is no need to use electric power, more beneficial to safety assurance. It can also be cleaned in the dishwasher. The flexible and simple shape and size are convenient for storage and help you enjoy a colorful cooking life. Help-You Microwave Cookware opens up a new life of delicious foods cooked with microwave oven.